Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. I want to give a quick shout out to everybody watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Want to make sure you mash that subscribe button and ding that bell if you haven't already so you get all our notifications whenever we drop a new video, which is basically daily. All you newbie viewers, make sure you watch and stay to the very end of this video. We always reveal some more free value. Today it'll be the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It's our free ebook, all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you'll need to know in order to make it inside of this market. So, not waste any more time. Let's jump right in. So, as you can see, we had another retest of 78.6 below the 200. Didn't stay there long. Just a quick, another retest, another touch of this region here before we catapulted back up in the air, back up to the bullish area. We've had a cross on both of the MAs. We've also bounced off and used the 200 MA as support for the MAs coming down, bounced off as support, crossed over. Very bullish sign. We've had a 4-hour candle break up and above the 200 MA as well as up and above the 8 and the 18. This is a very, very bullish sign. We are sitting right here in this area. We should see a small retest back down to the 61.8, which is another confluence. We've broken up above the 61.8, up above the 78.6, up above the 200 MA, up above the 8 and the 18 MA, and they've both crossed. Very bullish signs. We're looking for the 4,200 area still to get retested again. I very well believe that we will be seeing that very, very shortly, even though we've seen these dumps in the market. XRP is looking bullish. A lot of the majors are looking bullish. They're showing these signs. We've seen the breakout of the long downtrend, one tap, the two tap, virtually a third pinpoint tap. Not only the trend line, but the 78.6. Then all the bullish signs appear. Maybe a small retest before more upside is available. A few more setups we'll cover today. Ether looking somewhat of the same way, off the 61.8, up and above the 8, 18, and 200, and they've all crossed. So there's very bullish signs looking for Ether. You see the stairway up, break the structure, come down, do a little retest phase before we see the next leg up. Target first, we're looking for right around here in 152 range, and then hopefully 169 range, $170 range coming shortly after. Tron had some pretty bullish news here recently. We've gone up, we've retested the 200 MA. We're currently below it after retesting the 61.8 on a very large chart. We're talking about the daily chart. We have a slight downtrend you can see here. We're going to need, we can do this many different ways. We're going to need to break this area, something like this. We're not doing this perfect. We're just showing down slope. So we get up and above this area. What we're looking to happen is to close up and above the 200 MA and to find some ground. That would be a good entry in this area once we close up and above the 200 MA. Something to keep an eye on. Excuse me. Neo has broken the downtrend, as you can see off the bodies here. Body here, body here, body here. Broken the downtrend up and above the 200 MA as well as the 18 and the 8. We are retesting the downtrend broken out of right here. This could be a nice entry point. We want to see this hold here, hopefully turn into a wick. Anything down in here would be great. We want to stay above the 200 MA. We'd like to see a wick, and then we could see a nice entry. We're seeing some sell pressure right here at the top, which means we could see this push back down for just a minute, maybe a couple of candles before this thing takes off to the upside. First entry, our first take profit's going to be right around 2,300. Second's going to be a lot of congestion in here, 2,450. Ultimate goal is up here at the top of 2,500. I think those were highlighted by accident. I don't remember covering those. Well, we already covered XRP in the most recent video. A lot of bullish stuff going on with XRP. We've held up and above the 200 MA with 2 candles. We're retesting it right now. And as you can see on the 1 hour, it's looking very bullish. We've already broken well above the suggested target for a breakout like this. We're holding above the 200 MA. We're actually holding above the 8 MA right now, which is very good because it's been riding that up. It's flattening out. We're holding above, and hopefully we see a new leg. We will see a new leg. It's looking very good. As long as we can hold up and above this, we'll see a couple more legs come. This will be the first target right here at 33 cents. And then it'll keep right on going to these areas up here, 34, 35 cents. So a couple of things that happened in the news I thought was very interesting. We're going to cover this one because I thought it was the neatest one. Tether's to launch a new version of their crypto. It's a stable coin, USDT. It's called Tether on the Tron blockchain. For the effort, Tether is partnering with the Tron Foundation to launch a dollar-pegged USDT stablecoin as a TRC20 token. The companies announced that on Monday, which was yesterday. Now, the TRC20 token is a technical standard used by the Tron blockchain for implementing tokens, similar to the one that is compatible with ERC20 standard on Ethereum's blockchain. So, the addition would allow users to more easily transact with decentralized applications known as dApps and protocols based on the Tron blockchain. Specifically, the hopes to improve decentralized exchange liquidity and make Tron more accessible to institutional investors by providing the stablecoin option to the Tron network. Now, Tether already exists as a stablecoin built on the Bitcoin and the Ether blockchains. This new version of USDT, known as Tether, is expected to launch sometime in the next quarter. Now, Tether is the world's most powerful stablecoin by its market value. It's a top 10 cryptocurrency, and I've seen it as high as top 5 when the market is dropping on CoinMarketCap. However, questions have long existed about whether the cryptocurrency is actually backed by US dollars at a 1-to-1 ratio. While the company has promised to hire an auditor to verify its holding, is yet to do so. And after parting ways with Freeman LLP last January. Now, Bahama-based Deltic Bank and Trust, which provides banking services to the company, they did release a letter last year, and we did cover this last year, verifying that Tether had an account and maintained assets worth $1.8 billion at the time. Now, the USD token's total circulation right now is a little over $2 billion, so it's not exactly 1-to-1, but it's pretty close. So there's always been some question. A lot of questions, a lot of controversy around the stablecoin because they were not able to prove that they had 1-to-1 backed, and there was also huge drops once news of USDT Tether losing their banking and all kinds of stuff happening, and Tether virtually dropped. I mean, it plummeted, and they thought that was the end of Tether, but it came back. It made some announcements, more positive news. People started believing in it. People kept their money in it, and and then USD Coin, owned by Coinbase, is one of the ones I've been using a lot lately. But Tether is always the one with the most market value. It's the most popular one. It's the one everybody still uses no matter what happens. So this is kind of impressive. This is pretty cool. And it's something you guys should take a look at and maybe read. So that's all we have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. We'll have more for you guys tomorrow, another training video and another Bitcoin breakdown. Make sure you show up every day. For those of you that are new, go down to this question area below the comment section. There's a link you're going to see. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Click that link, get your free ebook. Also, once you're in that link, you'll see not only the free ebook, but you'll get a video series. Okay, it's Cody Sperber himself, the Clever Investor, giving you guys even more free value. There's a free training class that they put together. It's a free training from A to Z on Bitcoin, how to trade the markets. Definitely take advantage of that. You have to watch it to the end in order to get the link to get the new video or for the new training series. So make sure you guys click on that link, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin breakdown.